How to transfer photos from Android phone to USB drive. Now in order to do this, first of all simply connect the USB drive by using the OTG in your mobile phone. If you don't know how, check our channel for the guide. Then after connecting USB, open your application of My Files. And after connecting the USB, just simply open this My Files application in your device. Then after that, go to the section where you have photos which you would like to transfer to your USB. Then just simply select the photo. I have this image right here. You can select as many pictures as you want in this section. Now, in order to transfer your photos from Android to USB, just simply tap to this Move button. After tapping in the Move button, go back in this internal storage section, and you can go even further back if you have connected USB device. Then from there, select the USB device. For example, let me select this audiobook option like this, and then tap to Move Here option in your USB section. And this is how you transfer your pictures from Android to USB drive. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.